Yo! What's going on, all my Robinhood people and all my traders and investors? I love you all, but this has to stop. IDEX, Plug, Workhorse, and Tortoise acquisition. Come on, the same thing keeps happening. Let's ask the Magic 8 Ball first. Let's get started with the video. Let's start by asking the Magic 8 Ball what's going to happen with the market tomorrow. What is the market, stock market, going up tomorrow? Let's see what the Magic 8 Ball says. Outlook is not so good. Okay, so that's the first step. So it seems like, according to the Magic 8 Ball, that the market's going to be down tomorrow first. Next, we're going to be talking about IDEX. Again, one of my most hated videos, but also one of my most viewed videos. And people keep buying this. Again, I told you guys last week, whenever it was all the way up here, like look, even at the month, whenever it was around 340, 330, I told you guys this was not going to last. But people still invested, saw some peaks, saw a huge drop when the markets dropped, and now another big pump. Guys, please, this is my last chance I could tell you. Like, you're going to lose money on this. Like, it's not going to be up 40% again tomorrow. There's no way. Like, honestly, if you can get out of it now, unless you've done your research and you're confident in what they're doing. Because personally, I do not even know what this company does. It engages in provisions of business, consulting services related to traditional financing and through artificial intelligence. I mean, that's pretty cool, but like, a typical investor, do you guys know what you're doing in this trade, or are you guys just trading it because everybody else is trading it because the volume's so high? Like, people are doing research on this, and I'm sure many people probably had it at like $1.75, $2, rode it all the way up, and they probably took profits. Tomorrow, the people taking profits are going to take their profits, it's going to come back down, just like it did before. These penny stocks are very dangerous. Same with Plug Power. I mean, Plug Power, I don't really know too much about it. It doesn't seem like it's been pumped way too much. It seems like it has like kind of like a steady, slow growth. And what I've been seeing a lot is the hydrogen and fuel cell system type technology sector is just booming recently with their electric powered vehicles and stuff like that for industrial trucks and manufacturing. So this is just another thing. Like, I mean, it's possible it keeps riding up, but honestly, I haven't done the research. Have you? If you've done the research and you really believe in it, like keep it going by all means. Like, you're probably making money, but just don't get burned. You can go from 767 per share to 674. Like, that's a huge loss. Next, Workhorse. What even is Workhorse? Like, guys, 89,919 people on Robinhood own Workhorse. Again, automotive, aviation. I think a bunch of these battery electric vehicles and aircraft type stocks are really just seeing huge amounts of success right now. For some reason, I think Tesla just created a huge new market, and a lot of new companies are coming up with their own cars and trucks. And who knows, this could be the next big thing, but personally, you could see another huge drop. Like, look, it was at $9.99, then it dropped all the way to $7.73. Do you have the balls to hold it all the way back up? Or you're going to think, oh, it's going down, I should sell it. Like, if you believe in a company, buy it. But if you don't know anything about it, like, please stay away. Then Tortoise acquisition, another one. It had some success. Again, all of these, it's just a matter of what you know about it. If you know a lot about this industry and you're actually interested in it and you're willing to put in the time to search up news about it, I mean, I'm sure these are some great companies and they might even go to like some crazy highs, but don't just buy stuff on the fear of missing out. Do your research. Okay, and for the last part of my video, I'm going to ask the Magic 8 Ball, what is IDEX going up or down tomorrow? This is for all my Robinhooders believing to put all their life savings in here. Let's see what we got. Ooh, so maybe you guys are in for a treat, as I see yes. I mean, if you believe in the Magic 8 Ball, then go in all the way deep with the IDEX, but me personally, I'm not going to be touching that. I believe in those blue chip stocks, slow and steady growth, and the S&P 500 type companies. They're there for a reason, they're strong for a reason, and they have amazing news that it's always available and they're updated daily. And yeah, that's about it for today's video. So if you enjoyed that and you enjoyed the Magic 8 Ball and all my stock analysis, if you want to call it that, I mean, please drop a like, destroy that like button for me, please. And if you're new here, please subscribe. And thank you so much for watching my video. Have a great day.